Cryptocurrency getting a bit of a win this weekend, especially when it comes to Bitcoin and other centralized coins like XRP or Ripple's XRP, I should say. Maybe even Stellar Lumens along the way. And it's not really what you guys would expect. It has to deal with an election in Argentina. And we're going to be going over the results of that election and why it's driving Bitcoin to the upside right now. Why we're seeing some strength and, of course, what it means for cryptocurrency over the next couple of months. And especially into the presidential election cycle here in the United States as well. So let's discuss it, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. You don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. And guys, finally, thank you to everybody going out and buying your brand new favorite hoodie. I want to do some giveaways to say thank you. So throughout December, if you guys buy something off Amazon, all you got to do is either click the link in the description or search ClayBro merch, and you leave a review. I'm going to be doing giveaways with bro merch, bro hoodies, bro shirts, all types of stuff throughout December. Get a nice little Christmas present and just have some fun along the way. Make sure to do that and get involved with it. But guys, let's discuss the headlines that are happening right now in terms of cryptocurrency news and what it really means. We're going to dive into it here in a second, but you've got a lot of headlines surrounding the acquisition of CoinDesk. Okay, CoinDesk is basically a news site that's dedicated to cryptocurrency news, right? And it was 100% bought out. So it says, company led by former New York Stock Exchange president buys crypto news site CoinDesk. And that's taking a lot of the headlines out there. CoinDesk, bought by crypto exchange, bullish. So it's going to be very interesting to see how this cryptocurrency exchange uses CoinDesk to facilitate information to not only its users, but literally the world, as a lot of people are very accustomed to CoinDesk. Now listen to these headlines. Javier, and I hope I got his last name right, Milei wins Argentine presidency. Bitcoin gains nearly 3%. Bitcoin-friendly Javier Milei wins Argentina presidential election. XRP can play a key role in Argentina as president-elect plots peso replacement. Bitcoin rises as pro-Bitcoin candidate Javier Milei wins Argentine presidency. Javier winning. So let's dive into this for a second and see what it really means moving forward. It says the self-described anarcho-capitalist has been supportive of Bitcoin, calling it the return of money to its original creator, the private sector. Now, this would be beautiful if the Argentinian president decides to use Bitcoin, decides to make it legal tender, decides to ditch I believe it's the peso in Argentina, and use cryptocurrency in a form that really revolutionizes the game. A lot of people are expecting that, and that's why Bitcoin is doing as well as it is today. It says the next president of Argentina will be Javier Milei, as his opponent Sergio Massa conceded on Sunday evening, saying Argentines chose another path. With roughly 87% of the votes counted, Milei has 56% of the tally versus Massa's 44%, according to Bloomberg. Trading quietly through most of the weekend, Bitcoin began rising late Sunday afternoon on chatter about a strong showing from Milei. Following Massa's concession, the crypto currently is higher by nearly 3% over the last 24 hours to $37,350. We have to understand the central bank is a scam. said Malay. Earlier this week, when asked about Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is representing, he continued, is the return of money to its original creator, the private sector. Guys, I absolutely love that this dude said that this central bank is a scam. He's literally calling out the financial system for being what the financial system is. It is nothing but a pyramid scheme. And a lot of people point to cryptocurrencies as being some sort of a scam because, you know, they have no intrinsic value. Dollars have no intrinsic value. The dollars derive, or pesos, or pounds, or euros, or whatever currency you want to use across the globe. There's no intrinsic value in the paper or the metal that these coins are printed on. It is all speculative. It's whatever you believe that it is worth. It is simply a denominator in saying that, okay, instead of bartering with you for goods and services, I can go perform the tasks that I am best at and most efficient at and earn my wages. You can go perform your tasks that you are most efficient at, and then we can trade in a common denominator, and that is the fiat currency. It has grown into something that is so much bigger than a means of bartering. It has grown into a credit system. It has grown into wealth generation that literally does not exist. If you go to the bank right now and try to withdraw your money, and by you, I mean everybody, it is not there. So he's calling the central bank out for being a scam, and I absolutely love it. He says, Malay to this point, however, has not gone as far as proposing making Bitcoin legal tender. He's instead calling to eliminate the country's central bank and dollarizing an Argentine economy that has been walloped by inflation that reached 142% in October. Look, if the central bank in Argentina can let their country spiral out of control, the central bank here in the United States could let our country spiral out of control as well. Guys, one thing that is not going to spiral out of control due to hyperinflation, Bitcoin. There's a limited number of Bitcoin that can ever be in existence in the world. Cryptocurrency that have a defined role. Cryptocurrency that cannot be manipulated, created, or corrupted will not lead to hyperinflation. And I don't believe that the United States is immune to this either. Sure, we've got a lot going on right now, but we're 2 steps short of falling off the side of a cliff as well. You know that. We all know that. Yet we continue to move forward with the monetary system that we are comfortable with. Let's take a look. Let's see what Javier is able to accomplish with the dollar, with the Bitcoin, with Argentina. And maybe it could shed a little bit of light on what we're able to accomplish here as well. So I want to know what you guys think about Bitcoin's rise due to Javier's election down in the comments. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.